Awaba matamna para ama oiraba Eikhoi Masel amana amagi Mateng Pangnaduna punna nungsi chanana hingminaduna Chaokhatpa Khunnai ama Oinaba hotnaminaba yamnamak mathau tai haina handak chahigi Miss Shirui Lily ke Winner Esme SS na phongdorakli wafamasi ichauna sokhalaba miyamgidamang ngasi basikhong mamang leikai dilaiba mangal club ki campus ta pangthokpa free medical camp ta saruk yabaga luinana maikai adonggi ichauna sokhalaba miyamda mateng pangbagi khongchat amada mahakna The Indigenous Foundation TIF na PHC Basikong Amadi Saina Institute of Medical Sciences ka khutsamnana sinduna ngasi pangthokiba pre-medical camp aduda maike alongi ichangna sokhalaba miyoi-singda tongan ba ana layong singgi screening chathaki loinana tongan ba makhalgi igi test maru oina blood sugar urine test amadi blood group ki test na jingba lemna pangthoki camp aduda The Indigenous Foundation TIF ke Mihut Singh Yauna Handak Chahigi Miss Shirui Lily Beauty Pageanta Winner Kraba Singh Saruk Yakibaga Luinana Ichauna Sokhalaba Miyoi Singda Tengbang Potlam Singh Khusinaki Tengbang Khongchadaduga Mari Lainana Handak Chahigi Miss Shirui Lily ke Winner Esme SS na hai Handaki Chao Asina Sokhalaba Miyoi Singda Angamba Mateng Pangbalakpani Awaba Taraba Mikop Asida Aikoina Amato Oina Punsinaduna Amana Amagi Mateng Pangnaba Yamdamak Mathau Tai Awaba Matamna Para Ama Oiraba Eikhoi Masel Amana Amagi Mateng Pangnaduna Punna Nusi Chanana Hingminaduna Chaokhatpa Khunnai Ama Oinaba Punna Hotnaminasi Tengbang Phongchat Asi Makatana Tongan Ba Mafam Singda Chatkani Aikoina Amato Oina Punsinaba Matam Data Chaokhatpa Khunnai Ama Oiba ngamgani haina mahakna makhataki.
And we are here together as a team for the humanity tour. And although we might not help in plenty or we might not be the first ones, but we are here to hear the voices and to help as much as we can. And it's going to be a continuation of a couple of days that we're here together as a team. And we're here for the medical relief camp. We're going to the relief camp next. So this is such an eye-opening experience. It might not be the first time, but as a team, we can all help and uplift each other. And although you might not be able to help monetarily, please help share numbers or helplines on social media. Please reach out to people. And if anybody wants to collaborate, we are here. Please reach out to us, and we would love to be part of the collaboration too. Let's use this as a weapon to come together as a team, as brothers and sisters, and help each other out. Let us not sideline. Let's work together as a community, because as the saying goes, united we stand, divided we fall, and let us come together and build our society back together.
Ngasigi medical camp aduga mari lenina Miss Shirui Lily English ngani kun manga chairman su oiriba The Indigenous Foundation ge President AS Rising na hai ngasi Mapam asida pangthokliba free medical camp asi maru oina handaki chawasina sokhlaba maike songi miyamda mateng pangbu oina pangthopani tengbang khongchet asi Miss Shirui Lily English ngani kun manga ge humanity tour ge sarugam oina pangthopani tour asi makatana tongan ba mafam singda su chetkani handak thokiba natural disaster asina Eikhoi Masel amana amagi mateng pangnabagi tanja ama piri climate change ki chaithing ase hojek myoiba khunaida Pangliba ama oibana Eikhoi Masel amatu oina Mateng Pangnaduna Tengnaminaba mathau tai haina mahakna makhataki.
Andaki sida wariba mayamsi Eikhoi Miss Nahasing na susmain thokti bisi Eikhoi si thokhandana thokningbana thokpanate sida Eikhoi humanity service mayamsi pibagi privilege opportunity ni haina lawraga Kun legai da leibi riba organization sing oiro individual ki capacity da oiro mayam mateng pangnaba mi ama seba tawnabagi madamdu ishona bibani haina lawre hairiga Eikhoi ama seba tawminna se haibigi message so amani climate change yu lakrabani na collective effort Eikhoi tarka leye government khakta su taina da bi Eikhoi mi ama da su taina da bi da Eikhoi mayam jing da su landslide kan thok die aduga somdana frat mayam thok die aduna interrelate oi Eikhoi si ching su tam da su Eikhoi metro Eikhoi pachana Eikhoi collective effort ama vision roadmap ama yak thok de hairega Eikhoi sigumba si matang chai da di thok tin ningai gi si su Eikhoi tause haibigi vision ama su yauna Eikhoi smaina ngasi si humanity tour medical camp free si sumain chatchabani
medical gi test to je ko test makhan khara tawre mayam do ko gi test to di toibising gi ko gi blood group kumba ai hepatitis kumba adegi ko gi sugar kumba urine kumba protein kumba ko check tawre adu gaina sigi tanjam lor kan ko gi hauju ji lili camp da mai mai kai lecture mayam am lebse sigi kai mai mai kai lecture ba sing ko gi China student medical sciences da free course da ko min tamhan jage ko gi nursing or ga ju paramedic na course mayam le do mi 80 hen ko tamhan ga du entrance am ju ko tawgani du mi 80 se ko free da tamhan da gi pandam do thabe duna China da la kan da ko home lo bi kan da free da tambai khudong chabi lo do thabok so ko na dum pi gan sau jina so la ba sing che mem le kai le traba adu sing do adagi ko gi like ti haijaraga ko gi family de background da ko sonda ba le tar ga ju entrance yo bi ta ri every course khudima ki ko na mi tara tara je ko free course lo pa ma yok dan ko tamhan gani